Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also well. I came again to take an online class. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class 9 and 10. So the student of class 9 and 10, be ready and stay with me. Today I am going to take English first of all class, and you have already got my introduction. So let us start our class. My dear students, look at the board. There are two sentences. In the first sentence, he go to school. Is it true or is it correct or incorrect? Yes. You have understood that it is not correct. The right answer is he goes to school. It is the right form of the verb. In the second sentence, they go to school yesterday. Here, yesterday is an adverb and it is type of adverb. So, here the form of the verb is not correct. I am writing the right form of the verb. They went to school yesterday. Because yesterday means gotokal. It means past indefinite tense. So we have to use past form in this sentence. That is right form of the verb of the sentence. So our today's lesson is right form of the verb. Use of right forms of the verb. Use of the right form of the verb. Dear learners, let us do. You know that there are some rules of right forms of the verb, and at first rule is if the subject of a sentence is singular, then the verb of the sentence will be singular, and if the subject of a sentence is plural, then the verb of the sentence will be plural. I am writing the rules. If the subject of a sentence is singular, then the verb of that sentence will be singular. I am giving an example. He be verb a student. The right answer is he is a student. You know that be verb means am, is, are, was, were, been. Here is word is a verb of be verb and it is singular. As the subject is singular, then the verb is singular. If the subject of a sentence is plural, then the verb of that sentence will be plural. For example, they to be verb poor. The answer is they to be means am, is, are, was, are. As the subject is plural, then we have to use the plural form of be verb. So are is appropriate for this subject. They are poor. If the subject is singular, then the verb will be singular. Here he is singular, then the be verb of the sentence will be singular. Here is a singular verb of be verb. At the same way, if the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural. They to be verb poor. The right answer is they are poor. Number 2. If the subject of a sentence is third person, singular. If the subject of a sentence is third person singular and the if the subject of a sentence is third person singular then we have to use then we have to add s or is to the verb. Second rule is, if the subject of a sentence is third person singular, then we have to add s or es to the verb. For example, he go to school. Here, he is a third person singular subject and it is present indefinite. Then the right answer is he goes to school. It is the second rule. Number 3, if the meaning of a sentence is universal truth, then the sentence will be simple present or present indefinite tense. For example, the sun rise in the east. Here the sun is third person singular and the statement or sentence, the meaning of the sentence is universal truth. So the verb of the sentence will be simple present or present indefinite tense. So the right answer is the sun rises in the east. As the subject is third person singular and the verb will be present indefinite as the rule of number 3. Number 4, if a sentence has always every day, often, usually, normally, every week, etc. Then the verb will be present indefinite বা simple present tense. Simple present or present indefinite tense. For example, we go to school daily. Here the right answer is we go to school daily. Daily is an adverb. It is a type of adverb. Therefore, it is the sentence will be present indefinite. And the structure of present indefinite is at first we have to use subject, then V1 and object or extension. Here we is a subject and go present form of the verb and extension. So there is no sense, but it is a present indefinite tense. Number 2, he take his breakfast he take his breakfast at 8 a.m. every day. Here every day is an adverb, it is a type of adverb, therefore the sentence will be present indefinite tense. And as it is third person singular, so we have to use s or is. He takes his breakfast at 8 a.m. every day. Number 5, right forms of the verb. Part 1. Part 1. Because there are many rules of right forms of the verb, so it is part 1. Rule number 5. If a sentence has yesterday, ago, long ago, once upon a time, last week, last month, etc. Then the verb of that sentence will be past indefinite or simple past. For example, I see him yesterday. The right answer will be I saw him yesterday. Here, yesterday is an adverb and it is a time of adverb. Therefore, the sentence or the verb of the sentence will be past indefinite. Here, see is a verb and it will be saw because it is the V2 form. So the right answer is I saw him yesterday. Rule number 6. If a sentence has tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, etc., then the verb of that sentence will be simple future or future indefinite tense. For example, they go to Dhaka tomorrow. Here, tomorrow is an adverb and it is a time of adverb. Therefore, the sentence will be future indefinite tense or the verb of the sentence will be future indefinite tense. And we know the structure of future indefinite tense. They will go to Dhaka tomorrow. Rule number 7. If a sentence has now, today, at this time, at this moment, then the verb of that sentence will be present continuous. Tense. And do we know the structure of present continuous? For example, today he go to now we read book. Here in the first sentence, today is an adverb. It is time of adverb, and therefore the sentence will be present continuous tense. And we also know the rule of present continuous tense. Today he is going to school by bus. Number 2, now is an adverb and it is a time of adverb. So the right answer is now we are reading book. For now, the sentence will be present continuous. Now is an adverb and to is subject and are is a verb, and we have to add ing for the V1. Number 8, if a sentence has just now, already, yet, lately, recently, etc. Then the verb of that sentence will be present perfect tense. And we also know the structure of present perfect tense. For example, he left the place just now. We see him lately. The right answer will be in the first sentence, he has left, because we know the structure of present perfect tense. He has left the place just now. In the second sentence, the right answer will be we have sent him lately. Dear learners, you have to practice the rules, and it is the lesson is use of the right forms of the verbs, part 1, because there are many rules of the right forms of the verbs. So next time I will teach you other rules. So no more today. Stay home and study properly. Thank you all.